my channel and to a Decorate for Christmas with me. Today I'm going to show you how I'm decorating our table for Christmas this year. I have gone all out on the decorations and I'm so excited to show you how I'm going to be dressing the table, but I'm also going to show you a few hacks on how you can do a few DIYs to do your table at home. And I'm also going to show you how I'm going to do the kids table, because this is clearly not the most kid-friendly decorations, but I have some really good ideas for a kids table as well. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, I would love you to consider subscribing just by clicking the little red button below. And with all that said, let me show you our Christmas table. So the main decoration that you'll notice on our Christmas table is a big garland down the center of it. This is a new decoration for us this year. I basically saw that the lady who did our Christmas porch decorations also makes these artificial garlands, so I decided to get one. And the beauty of it being artificial is that I can get it out every year and reuse it every Christmas. So we went the full length of the table because she said that is the trend, to go the full length, but you could actually go shorter if you wanted to have people eating on the ends of your table, but we're just having 6 adults. So I decided not to get a tablecloth, but I did get a Hessian runner to put the garland on. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you will know that I actually ordered a 10-meter runner rather than a 10-foot runner. So I've cut it and I've got extra for the years to come. But I think it looks quite nice. And then I also put these these are actually fluffy rugs. They were £10 each, and I saw someone on Instagram do this for their Christmas table and I thought it looked so beautiful, but she actually put them on every other chair. So at first I only ordered 3 and then I tried it on our table and actually it didn't look great. I don't know if it's just our chairs. She had these beautiful wooden chairs and it looked really nice, but I kind of thought I would get 6, so I've got 1 for each chair, and it just makes it feel really cozy, very Christmassy. I feel like it really did transform the whole table. I've also put a battery pack of fairy lights into the garden, just a little wire one, just to give it a bit more twinkle, and I got these tall candle glasses on Amazon. I got a pack of 3 that were all different sizes and just kind of put them into the garland with a candle in it. I think it really makes it just nice and twinkly, and when it is actually dark, it will be glowy. And because here in England it gets dark at like 4 p.m, so it will probably be nice to have that on Christmas Day. I also wanted to show you a very simple Christmas DIY if you haven't sorted out a table centerpiece yet. You could literally wait for all of your guests to walk in the door and then take your Christmas wreath off of the front door, put it in the center of your table, and then add some candles, and voila, you have a beautiful centerpiece. And you could use one big candle or literally whatever you have. I'm just using the glass candle holders that I have, and you could leave it like that because normally your Christmas wreath is very beautiful anyway, but if you wanted to add some baubles or a battery pack of fairy lights, that would also work really well. And this is also a good option if you want to have more space on your table for food. So yeah, I thought I would share with you that very simple hack. In terms of place settings, we actually went for these gold charger plates rather than placemats. I think they're so gorgeous, and they were actually £1 from Wilko's. And then I've just got a white plate on top, and then for the serviettes we've actually tied a knot in this red serviette, which was super simple to do, and then added a little bit of rosemary, which we just cut from the garden. So instead of Christmas crackers this year, we've actually made our own little DIY table favors, which are so simple to do. All you have to do is get a square of gift wrap and then fold in both sides and then fold the top down. And I used a little bit of double-sided tape to secure it. Then we just tied up a little gold bow from ribbon that we already had, and I printed out these little like label templates on our printer and just wrote everyone's name. And inside we've just put some lint balls, but you could put some sweets. You could also print off some little jokes, a Christmas hat if you really wanted to. We just thought it was a bit nicer and more personal than a Christmas cracker. Next up, I'm going to show you how we're going to be decorating the kids' table. Some of my favorite memories as a kid were sitting at the kids' table on Christmas Day with my cousins, away from the adults and feeling really grown up. So we're going to do the same thing, and we also don't have room on the main table for the kids. And also, sometimes when the kids are on the main table, because they don't last very long, they eat really quickly, then they leave, and then there's like big gaps on the table. So it's quite nice if they're like 4 years and up or 5 years and up to have a little separate section for them. So a really cool idea that you can do is just use some gift wrap to put over a kid's table. You can either secure it with some sellotape or staples, but I'm literally just gonna lay it over. Then it doesn't matter if they ruin it, if they draw on it, like it's no big deal, it's just some wrapping paper. Then I've also just got like their normal plates that they do use. I got these on Amazon. I actually get so many questions about them because they've got that edge on them, but that edge is also a little bit annoying when it comes to the dishwasher. Anyway, hi guys, it's voiceover Emily here. You are not gonna believe it. As I was filming this, I don't know what happened, but my microphone just completely stopped working. So I thought I would just talk you through rather than refilming, because I've literally put everything away. But as you saw, I just put some little Christmas pudding Poundland serviettes on the plates. And then I have these red cups, like leftover partyware with stripy straws from Poundland. And I've just like secured a little Christmas ribbon around it to make it a bit more Christmassy. And then I got some kids crackers for them, so I'm going to put one of those on each plate as well. And then I'm also going to do some coloring. You can get like Christmas placemats that you can print out with little activities on it. I'm just putting some Christmas coloring out with some pens, or you could do some tabletop games as well. So just a few little things for them to do, and there's probably stuff in the crackers as well. And I've just tied the pens with a little Christmas ribbon, and that is it. I also wanted to show you these paper stars that Fraser made at school. We're hanging them from the top of the conservatory, and they're really effective. But yeah, that is pretty much the kids table and the main table. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry about some of the audio. Honestly, technology sometimes is such a headache, but I still wanted to get this video out for you guys tonight. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.